Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm gonna do a natural makeup look that embraces your imperfections. That I think is very important also to bring a tutorial for YouTube. So let's do this, right? Okay you guys, now that I've scooped you in, so let's start with this. This is so cool now. Yeah, I've missed doing some tutorials. Yes, I'm cleaning the hands before applying my makeup. It's some little, you know, things you clean your hands and as basically this you use this to clean your ass. It is what it's marketed for, but I'm cleaning my hands with it. So everything is gonna be very natural and very simple today, you guys. It's gonna be kind of quick, I hope. It's why I will have more talking, but if you do this, you're gonna do this for 5 minutes. Wash my face and I moisturized. Well, I use a sunscreen, but that sunscreen also moisturizes my skin. I don't really do this routine. I just go without anything. Sometimes I apply my liquid highlighter, brows, a little curl the lashes, chapstick, I'm done. I will embrace all the rest of imperfections, because why not? Why have to cover my face to feel beautiful, you know? Am I ugly just because I have this on my face and this? No, I'm not. Let's embrace the fuck out of this. But still, you're gonna cover a little bit. I'm gonna give you little tricks if you want a little trickery there, but still, you know, embracing the rest of it without changing much about it. So let's do this. Let's start with the skin. I'm not gonna use foundation. You know, I'm not gonna use foundation. Oh, first of all, let's use a chapstick. That's the first task you should do. Just use your favorite. Oh, Jesus Lord, I always do this when I do videos. Now I look better, see? Just a little chapstick and I look so much better. See, just a little chapstick and you're done. But if you want to do a little bit more, let's do this. And I'm going to use a Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. It's not really high coverage, so don't be scared about this being too high coverage. So I'm going to apply this under the eyes first, underneath of my eyes, where I have redness. And I'm going to blend with my fingertips. You don't have to feel pressure to wear makeup to meet someone special or someone. That person should, you know, accept the way you are. And if that person doesn't like the way you look without anything else, scrap that person out of your list. Just saying. Because if that person doesn't like you for what you are specifically, that person should not care about how the hell you look like. A big part of my life I felt so ugly with no foundation on, and I always felt the need of applying it to be able to look good. But now that I'm growing up and I'm seeing myself and now I'm gonna start correcting the face imperfections. A little bit, light coverage, and I will do a little trick. That is very simple. That trick is it's nothing new, but you know, we will see. So basically, people always trying to find, you know, just be yourself. You don't have to feel pressured by people to make all of that. It's not your fault you have imperfections. Make that as a clear thing on your head. It's not your fault for having imperfections on your skin. You have imperfections because genes, because things happen, you know, and that it's fine. You know, that is fine. Just don't feel pressured, because this society can be very ugly, let me tell you. Society can be very ugly, people can be very ugly and treat you just because you have something else different from the other people, or or something that you should not have. Like, really? Everything you see on your skin that is more red and everything, just give a little courage there. But I'm not gonna cover up everything with the thing of covering up completely and block out the redness. I'm just toning down the redness, covering a little bit here and there here on my forehead. Not gonna put too much of it on the corner of my face. I don't have much. I have a little bit. I don't care about it. I'm just applying a little bit of concealer. Oh, okay, this is a little too much, right? Okay, I'm gonna stop with concealer because I don't feel the need of applying more. See the difference that just a little bit of concealer here and there, well, almost everywhere, but just toning down the redness and how natural my skin looks still, but still I can see a little redness here and there to give a little realistic look. Not gonna cover my redness on the lids because I think that is beautiful. I like the shade. It just gives you some color already. Two highlighters. Do two cream highlighters. This is my favorite one that I think I have to buy another one because H&M Halo Illuminiser Glorious Shimmer in the shade Champagne, and this is the new Pure drop highlighters in the shade, I don't know, because I'm without glasses, I cannot see. And I'm gonna mix this too a bit on the hand, a little bit, you don't need much. And then this a little bit, just the tiniest bit. It's quite a strong highlight, I really like, but and just swirl it around. So this is what I do when I go see someone special. So I just put some highlighter on my cheeks. Sometimes I put, sometimes I don't, you know. Just because I just want to wear something on my skin and just embrace my natural skin. I'm having someone now on my life that I never thought that I would have, and especially accepts me for who I am and doesn't make anything to change it, you know. He just accepts it. Yeah. Temples, it's another area I love to apply highlighter. Yes, that is on my hand. I'm going to apply on my nose freely with no science behind it. Just thinking applying a little bit of bronzer, so I'm going to use this Essence Sun Duo Matte Bronzing Powder for, it says here, lighter skin. Is this bronzer here working on the skin very slowly to build up the color, but this time I'm tapping just, and it looks even better. I love this. I can still see everything. I can still see all my imperfections down there. But I'm just receiving a little something. Every perfection, but my skin looks perfected still. It's weird. I like this. I really do. To be honest. I think I look good. Let me use the Primark blush palette and highlight. And I'm going to use this peachy color right here, very lightly. Take the axis and tap on the other side. Now I'm going to scoop a little bit of my H&M highlighter, just lightly. I'm going to apply this on my eyes to give a little glow. So use your highlighters as your shadow or something else, just to give a little something on the eyes. Eyelash curlers, and this is from H&M, and I'm going just to curl my eyelashes a lot. It's a trick that I love to use all the time, to curl my eyelashes at least, and sometimes I don't even apply mascara. If you want, you don't have to apply mascara, just don't apply it. My Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara from Essence, and apply it a little bit on the lashes. I'm gonna just use a brow gel just to make them all up, and that modeless type of brow that I love to now to wear all the time. I'm this on the brows, really coat them and really push them up. And this is the best technique for me to look, or even without all of this crap that I've done, just to look a little bit more presentable. Use my Kat Von D contour palette, and I have these colors right here, right? And I'm going to use them to do freckles. And freckles and beauty marks. I decided to do this very easy, because when you put that on top of a blemish, it's gonna already make from a blemish to a beauty mark right here. And I kind of covered a little bit to tone it down the redness. So now I'm just going to make this as a little something there to give me a little freckle-ish type of situation. I'm randomly just drawing them, like, see, a gloss. This is a little too sticky gloss, but I kind of like the look of it. It's like, it gives that wet look, like it says here, like shine. It's the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. And I'm done. I'm done, you guys. What y'all think? I love this. End of this look. As you can see, I look very fresh and I look still myself. You know, it's not really that makeup that I love to do, also very dramatic and very like transformative. So it was nice to me to test it out, a different little techniques, doing a face that is not full coverage, but still have a little coverage. I did my face with concealer just, I didn't use full foundation. I still have a lot of little red spots and little red things on my skin if you look very closely. I covered them with brown, you know, brown powder to look like freckles or beauty marks. And I think it's a little technique for you guys. I like to wear nothing. This is the thing also. I like to wear nothing now. And I've been wearing nothing for much than everything. And I think it's nice to embrace. For a long time, not embracing my skin as it is, even though I have so many blemishes, still so many little red spots and still a new friend here now. Don't have to feel the need of covering up every little thing to feel beautiful. You can still do light makeup and still look good, you know, I think. And also it's very important to feel good without any of these additional things. With all the most like harsh blemishes to little blemishes, just embrace them. And don't forget that you're beautiful no matter what type of skin you have. So this is also a little different video for me, and also a little message also that is good for everybody. A good message also for me to remember always that I don't have to feel pressure to wear full face of foundation to feel good or to feel beautiful. I can still rock this and be beautiful, and wear or rock nothing and be even more beautiful. Why not? So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to like this video and comment down below your stories with acne, or what you found, if you find this video interesting, helpful, or benefit for your existence. I hope. So thank you so much, and I will see you soon on the next one. Bye bye.